Datacake is changing the way how people work with their LoRaWAN devices. Currently here released on beta.datacake.co, we have a very new version of how you can add LoRaWAN devices to Datacake. First of all, you press Add Device. And in this dialog now, you'll find the different products that we support, like API, D0, which is our cellular PLC, but also LoRaWAN. If you select this, it's showing you a list of supported devices. For each device that is listed here, we have our own payload decoders. So that means that you don't need to set up payload decoders on TDN, TDI, LoRaWAN, WAN-Z or whatever. We do that for you, and you simply just have to set webhook, or you can use the Datacake TDN, for example. So select one of those devices here. Currently it's 4 devices, but there's a huge list of devices which we will support initially from the first release. These are here, these 4 devices which we are using to test. So let's take the LGT92 from Dragino. And in the next step, you select the network. So currently in the testing environment, we have TDN. So this is the Datacake TDN. There's an application on our Datacake instance, TDN. And you simply enter the app, AOE, dev AOE, and the keys and so on. But you can also link your own Things Network or Things Industries or WAN-Z. So in the next case, in the next step, if you select the Things Network, for example, all you need to do is provide a name and enter the dev AOE. You can also secure the webhook by entering a token, and there's a documentation how you set up the webhooks. If you go through these steps and create that device, I've done that already for the dev AOE, so I will show you how this looks. Let's open up the device, which is the Dragino LG92, and it has been creating the fields in the database that the device sends. And here you've got the option. For example, if you're using Things Network, forward your data to that adapter. If you're using Things Industries, forward it to that URL. And if you're using the curling WAN-Z, forward it to that. We will be adding different LoRaWAN network providers because we want to support all of them. It also creates a dashboard template, and there's also the option that we can create basic rules and configuration and so on. This will be also featured by the new dashboard designer. And if we go back one step, you simply just have to select LoRaWAN, select the device. Like in this case, we take one of those talk pool sensors, then you select one of your preferred networks, you enter the name, the dev AOE, it will be then created, and everything is working directly. So this will be the most easiest and fastest way to onboard your LoRaWAN devices. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.